The world is in a steady spiral downward. World governments are on the verge of financial collapse. Millions of people are becoming unemployed. Losses on people's retirement funds that took 20 years to accumulate are being devastated in 30 days. Many have lost as much as 50% of the nest egg due to the recent market troubles. The stock market losing 20%, 30% and more, down 1,200, up 200, down 2,000. It's crazy for the average person to make heads or tails of it, let alone make money in it. Businesses that have been around for decades are going under almost overnight. Just like that. People's income from a job that they've depended on is closing through no fault of their own. A global pandemic is hitting the world, causing quarantine on a mass scale. It's a tough situation for everyone right now. How do you survive and take care of your family when virtually the entire world is in the same situation? Where do you turn? Are you aware of the incredible power that you have right in front of you? People are starting to work from home and generating much-needed income and cash flow right from their kitchen table. The power of the internet is your answer. Others just like you are discovering the advantages of being a digital entrepreneur. The digital entrepreneur is a concept that's time has come. Work from anywhere at any time and still be able to enjoy life, yet never again be at the mercy of an economy that's outside of your control. But how to start? Are you ready to live life on your terms and make a difference too? We have created the most powerful turnkey, foolproof system in the world today. If you are serious about achieving total financial freedom, then you are finally at the right place at the right time. Daily Digital Club is a concept that is perfectly positioned in today's economic environment. It's hands down the fastest and easiest system on the planet to earn much needed income. Go digital, go global. With each sale, our members earn from $25 to $100 residually and build much needed cash flow. Imagine having income come to you daily and even multiple times a day. It's as easy as pointing to a video like the one you're watching right now. But wait, it gets even better. Due to the recent troubling times, the company has decided not to charge a hosting or licensing fee to get started. Just purchase your products and you're off and running. There's no other system on the planet that allows you to earn 100% on each sale from the very first person you introduce. You can start the process today and have hundreds, even thousands in residual income in no time using the power of technology by going global and going digital. Get back to the person that thought enough of you to introduce you to the Daily Digital Club concept. Your life will never be the same.